Welcome to my channel, and I'm going to show you a very small project. It's like first we are going to create a very simple C program. Then we send our C program to the server. Then then we are going to compile and run the program like from our terminal. So for this we are using two terminal. One is for our local computer and one is for the server. So I'm working at my home, so I'm using VPN. So if you are working from home, so you also need a VPN to connect the server. So connect to the server, I'm going to use SSH, and that is my username, and that is my server willow.cs.edu. This server actually from my university. They give me the access, so your server definitely will be different. So press enter and give your password. You see, I'm in my server now. So let me check first that is there any file in the server. So I write ls. So you see there is a 3 file, so I'm going to delete the file first. Okay, so now press ls again. So you see there is no file. Okay, so that is a C file that I'm going to use to send my local computer to the server. So for this one I'm going to use a command, that is this one. I'm going to explain you what is the command, what is the command said. So first SCP, it means secure copy protocol. So using this command you're gonna send your file to the server or to the to remote location. So that is the file actually I'm going to send, and that is my server. Okay, and this one is a home/t2.mdsmajum. That is my server path, so where I'm going to send my zip file. So if you write here pwd I'm sorry, you see this is the path. Okay, so if I press enter here and I will give my same password. I'm sorry. Okay, you see the file successfully transferred to the server. So now I'm going to check if the file is coming or not. So I write ls and press. You see the file is here, ex1.c. So the next step is we are going to compile the run using CSIM. Okay, so I'm going to copy this one and just press here. You see the CSIM 64.gcc and -g, and this file I'm going to compile, or that is a code for compiling. Okay, so and I'm going to wants to output that name one is ex1, or you can give your own different name. Okay, so just press enter and press ls. You're gonna see a new file is coming, ex1. Okay, so now if you wants to check what is the files look like, just write ./ex1. okay, just press enter. You see this is the output actually, like ending simulation time, then CPU time used, and you see that the response time actually, the like the minimum maximum range observation, and everything is here. I think because this code is actually using the simulation time. Okay, so you're gonna use your own code and own like the own output. Okay, so now the next step is download. Okay, now I'm going to download the file. Which file? I'm going to download that ex1 file, the output file. Okay, for the download file I have to use this command in my local computer, because I'm going to send a request to the server to download that file. Okay, So same, I'm going to use scp, and I'm going to download the file from my server. Okay, and from where? This path, like the home.slash.mds, this path. And which file? This file, actually ex1 dot, sorry, ex1, this file I'm going to download. And where I'm going to put, or where I'm going to download this file? Here, my desktop. Okay, in my desktop I'm going to download that file from my Windows server. Okay, now I'm going to give my password. You are going to give your password. So you see, yeah, you see, the file is successfully downloaded. Okay, it's like 490 KB. Okay, so now I'm going to check is the file is downloaded or not. Okay, you see that this is my code, and I'm successfully download the ex1 output file. So that is the thing actually, and I'm going to give you all the command, and you are going to just change your username and your path. Okay, so, and also you have to change uh, your code name. Okay, like your project name. So thank you guys, that is a very small video I'm going to make for you guys, and I hopefully this is gonna help you. So see you in the next video.